Hi everyone, hope you guys are okay. Today Justine is getting another tattoo, so I'm going to go with her. I'm just gonna get ready now and leave in about 15 minutes. Okay, so just came back from town with Justine. Her tattoo's really cute, I really like it. I don't think I'll get one, but it's cute. Okay, so I've got loads of veggies, like have overbought veggies this week. Thing is, I really like them, but I just didn't have the opportunity of eating them. So, I didn't really know what to do, but I've been talking to my auntie, and she sent me a recipe of some kind of like vegetable pancakes type of thing. And I've never made them, so I'm gonna try to do that. I'm excited about trying that because I always like trying new recipes, so hopefully it'll turn good. We'll see. Okay, so I didn't record the first one, and good thing because the first one was awful. But the second one doesn't look half bad. So I'm going to start off my feet. That's how it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. Yeah, I'm really happy about that. Hopefully it'll taste good, so let's see. I'm just going to put some sauce in here. And then I'm just going to cut a little bit. Steamy. Let's see. So good. I think it's a really good way to eat more veggies. I mean, it takes a bit of time just chopping everything and cooking it, but it's so good. Hey, so this afternoon I'm feeling quite lazy, but I'm gonna do my nails because they're all like chipped and ugly. But tomorrow I'm getting a haircut, and I was thinking about cutting them like to here, like this short. I need to cook dinner. So for dinner, what I'm making, so Cam bought this really nice Italian pasta yesterday when we went for a walk, and so I was thinking about making some kind of like tomato, mascarpone, and Parmigiano sauce with rum, I think. I've never made that sauce, so hopefully it'll taste good, and yeah, I'll try to film some, and then you'll see, and then you tell me. Yeah, I just love all the green behind me, just so you know. So yeah, thanks guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. No, it wasn't like amazing, but that's how it is today. Anyway, hope you guys are keeping yourself safe and sound. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video if you did, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!